Okay, this is video 4 and we are picking it up from row 31. Row 31 wants us to increase 31 says 1 single crochet, increase 1. 1 single crochet, increase 1 6 times to make 24 stitches. So to do that, it's really 3 stitches times 6 times, because here's our 1 single crochet, increase. So instead of just 1 single crochet in this stitch, we're going to put 2. That makes 3. We got to do that 3 times. So 3 times, actually we have to do this grouping 6 times. So 6 times 3 stitches is 18. Okay, so we need to end up with 18 stitches. So that's our first set. We single crochet 1, we increase. So that means 2 stitches here. That's 6 right there. Increase, single crochet 1, increase. That's 9 stitches we've made so far. Because we've done that repeats 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we need to end up with 18. So that was the three times we've done that 1 single crochet, increase. That's 12 stitches right there. 1 single crochet, increase, meaning 2 stitches, 2 single crochets in that one. That's 15. 1 single crochet and increase. And now we have 18 stitches for row 31. Cross that off. We move our marker up to designate the next beginning of the row. Jiggle that a little bit, and here we are. Now, row 32 wants us to do a different pattern. 2 single crochet and an increase, and we have to do that 6 times to make 24 stitches. So 2 single crochet plus an increase equals 4 stitches, and you got to do 6 times equals 24 stitches. So first we want us to do 2 single crochets, and an increase. That means 2 single crochets will happen in that 1 stitch. It's our first set out of 6. 2 single crochets, increase. That's second. Will be 8 stitches right now. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, the pattern is 2 single crochets, increase here. 16, 2 single crochets, single crochets, and then an increase here. That's 24. Okay, that's, mark it off. We've done 32. We move up our stitch marker to the next row. Nope, that's the wrong beginning stitch. I jiggle my last stitch, and this should be my first stitch, the next row. Okay, now we're up to row 33. Row 33, this becomes a little tricky. It wants us to do 7 single crochet, an increase, 3 single crochets, an increase, another increase, 3 single crochets, an increase, and 7 single crochets equaling 28 stitches. Okay, now we got to really concentrate here because that's when it gets a little hairy. You don't, as long as we mark our first stitch, because we could always rip it up and start over again. But row 30, we're with row 33. Oh, yeah, row 33 is first 7 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then an increase. That means 2 single crochets in the stitch, in the same stitch. There's 9 right there. That's 2 single crochets. Now they want us to do 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. That's a total of 12 stitches right now. And then we have to increase twice. So 2 single crochets in the same stitch from below. That's 14. Again, 16 stitches now we've made. And then they want us to do 3 single crochets. Total of 19. 19 plus 7. Is that true? Okay, that's 3 single crochets. And then we have to do another increase. That's 21. And then plus 7 is 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we can count back to make sure that we have 28 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. Yes, we did it. So once again, for row 33, that was 7 single crochet, an increase, 3 single crochets, an increase, another increase, 3 single crochets, an increase, and then 7 single crochets to finish it up, totaling 28 stitches. And when I say an increase, that usually means 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Okay, we've done 33. We moved up our stitch marker. We're ready to go 34. Okay, 34 needs another focus row because they want us to do 7 single crochets. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. An increase, so 2 stitches in the same one. There's our increase. 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then they want us to increase 3 times. Is that right? Let's see. 34. Increase 3 times. So we go one, another one in the same stitch. Second one, another one in the same stitch. The third increase is one, and then another one in the same stitch. And then we do, let's take some more yarn out. 4 single crochets again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And another increase. 1 in that stitch and another one in that stitch. And then we do 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we did it. Our trunk is, and now we're the face and the head of the elephant is starting to shape up. We finished row 34. Cross that off. We move our marker up. Row 35 is a single crochet in each stitch below, totaling of 33. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, oops, that was a little tight, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, and 33. Okay, we've successfully done row 35. Now row 36 wants us to do 8 single crochets and 1 increase 3 times, and then a 6 single crochet after that. All right, this again is another focus group, focus row. And on that note, let's take a break as my next door neighbor's landscaper is getting closer and noisier.